This is one of those rare situations, guys, where we have one client that found this neighborhood, and we helped that client build their home. And then that client told another property buyer in this neighborhood, and that client told another property buyer, and that client told another property buyer. Before we know it, we've got 5 houses on the same block. It's extremely good fortune for us. It's extremely good fortune for the clients, I think, because we got 5 clients here who all get to experience or all get to work with us on the owner-builder process. All of them saving tons of money on these custom homes, and just 5 absolutely gorgeous homes in an absolutely gorgeous setting. This is just a spectacular opportunity for everybody.
I think another neat thing about these 5 homes is the wide variety. We've got large family on one end, a single woman, a multi-generational family occupying the same home, and then a couple with some kids that are going to take advantage of this beautiful scenery.
One of these home owner builders was a husband and wife team. They're both physicians. They managed the home construction process themselves while maintaining their medical practices. Another client is running 3 restaurants while he and his family are building this home. These are gigantic homes, and there's a lot of decision making that has to go into these. There's a lot of challenges to building these. They're all complicated architecture. We got 2 clients here that took advantage of the owner builder program, and we got 2 clients who decided that they wanted turnkey assistance. They wanted us to build it for them. They're still part of the decision making process. They've still got complete control of everything that happens, but we're handling all of the heavy lifting for them. Well, our bread and butter over the years has been owner builder. But 6 years ago, we realized, 7 years ago, gosh, 7 years ago, right? 7 years ago, we realized we had all the components in place to do an excellent job of turnkey construction. We had superb supplier networks. We had an enormous group, a terrific group of vetted subcontractors that we could use to get the work done. We had excellent management systems in place and excellent organizational systems in place. And so 7 or 8 years ago, we said, hey, let's start offering a turnkey service. Let's start offering a service where we'll build the whole thing for you. All you've got to do is just make some decisions and choose your finishes and stay on top of the checkbook, and we'll build it for you. And so that's why we have both options now, and owner builder is still the more popular option by far.